Yo guys, TechnoSmart here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to backup and restore your apps with data. So for this, your device must be rooted and you have to install an application called Titanium Backup. I will put the link in the description down below so you can go ahead and download it. So once you have downloaded the application, go ahead and turn on the application and then hit on that batch icon to the top, and then you're gonna see lots and lots of options. Just go ahead and tap on that run below backup, and here you can see you have all of your apps. So just go ahead and hit that run to the top right corner, and yeah, as you can see here is backing up all of your apps. It's not gonna take a very long time, it's just gonna take around 2 to 3 minutes. A quick disclaimer that the audio is being recorded with my phone. As you can see here, voice recorder, so it is recording the audio at the same time. So sorry for the bad audio as my microphone is lost. So yeah, once the backup is completed, if you'll swipe down here, you can see the option of restore. So just go ahead and hit run and select the apps which you want to restore, and then hit run, and it's gonna restore all of your apps. So yeah, that about wraps up. Hope you guys has been helped by this video. If you did, do make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching. This is TechnoSmart signing off. Have a great day, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TechnoSmart7. I post there lots of BTS stuff. You guys will like it, so please go ahead and follow me there.